All right, here we are in Module 6, Lesson 9. And Lesson 9 is the first lesson in Topic C, where we're going to be solving mathematical problems in the coordinate plane. And for Lesson 11, we're going to be drawing lines in the coordinate plane and identifying points in the lines. So I think you're going to enjoy it. Let's jump right in. In your Learn book, at your magnifying glass page, I believe, you have coordinate planes A through D, and it's 4 coordinate planes all on the same page. I have mine on different pages, but you can have yours all on the same page. And we're going to start with plane A. And on plane A, we're going to plot point 8, 4. Okay, you can see that I already have mine. Plot point 8, 4. Go ahead and plot yours. And then when you have your point plotted, I want you to take a straight edge, any kind of ruler, or I have this geometry template that has a bunch of geometry stuff on it, which also has a straight edge. Any kind of straight edge that you have. If you don't have one, you could use even another piece of paper, because a piece of paper also has a straight edge. So anyway, you're going to get a straight edge, and you're going to draw as many lines through point 8, 4 as you can. All right, so go ahead and draw lines. Don't forget, lines have arrows at the top and at the bottom. We're just going to draw lines for, a few, maybe a minute of line drawing. And if you didn't get yours done, you can pause me, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines drawn through point 8, 4. Could you have drawn more? Or could I have drawn more if I had more time? And that one's not exactly perfect. It's all right. You don't have to be perfect. Yes, we could have drawn more lines if we had more time. Because there's too many to count, there are infinite number of lines that can pass through point 8, 4. Infinite number of lines. All right, so there's a word, infinite, meaning higher than we can count, more, ongoing forever. So we could make an infinite number of lines going through that point. Okay, now we're going to go to plane B in your book, and it looks very much the same. And on plane B, you're going to plot 2 points for me. Go ahead and plot point 8, 4 again. 8, 4. Going to mark it 8, 4, and point 6, 3. 6, 3. Okay, got 8, 4, and 6, 3. And now I want you to draw a line that goes through both of those points. I will try to use precision and make mine the best I can. You do the same. All right, and if you don't have it done, you can pause me and get that finished. And let's think about this line that we drew through 6, 3 and 8, 4. Can we draw an infinite number of lines through 1 point, but only 1 line through 2 points? Is that interesting? So through 8, 4, we were able to draw an infinite number of lines, right? We could go on and on forever. But through these two, are we only able to draw 1 line that goes through both of them? Pretty interesting, right? It's a straight line. So we couldn't draw more than one line that goes through both of those points. So today we're going to draw lines in coordinate planes and identified ordered pairs for points on the line. Okay? Now, looking at this coordinate grid that we have, we're going to talk about it a little bit more. Here is a phrase, a sentence. The line has exactly 2 points on it. The line has exactly 2 points on it. So take a stand. Do you agree? Do you strongly agree? Or do you strongly disagree? Or are you undecided about this statement? The line has exactly 2 points on it, talking about this line. Okay. Well, what about 3, 1? Is that a point on the line? And what about 10, 5? Is that a point on the line? Aha. So all of the points that are possible are on this line, and the line goes on forever in either direction. So it will continue to have points on the line. I see 4, well, my line is not exactly perfect. 4, 2 should be there. 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5. What about 2, 4? Is 2, 4 on the line? 2, 4. No. 2, 4 is not on the line, right? So there are points that are not on the line. A line is straight and goes on forever in both directions. So is 12, 6 on the line? And how would we know? Do we need to think about a pattern of our ordered pairs? Let's see. 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5. We don't have them all on there right now, but let's look. Sorry, let's take 3, 1 off of there. I don't think 3, 1 should be there. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we see X is going up by 2, and Y is going up by 1, right? X and Y. So 12, 6. Going up by 2, going up by 1, right? See how we can use our pattern? We don't always have to draw everything out on our coordinate grid. And we can see that we're going horizontal 2 and up 1. Horizontal 2, 1, 2. Maybe get a different color here. 2 and up 1, 2 and up 1, 2 and up 1. Okay, so what about, I'm going to say that 50, 25 is on the line. 50, 25 is on the line. How can we show that without continuing with this pattern? Is there another way that we can see? Do we see a relationship between our X's and Y's? Do you see that the Y is 1/2 of X? Oh, I know, so many different patterns, aren't there? So Y of 25 is 1/2 of 50. Amazing. Okay. How about 7, 3 1/2? 7, 3 1/2. Would that work? 3 1/2 is 1/2 of 7. Okay. Let's see. 7, 3 1/2. 7, 3 1/2. Can you plot it on yours? So when we're moving from right to left and we're going and then up right in our pattern, we could go 2 units to the right and up 1 unit, or move 2 times as much as we to the right as we move up. So we could go 1 to the right and up by a half. So if we're at 6, we can go 1 to the right and up by a half and be at 7 3/2. Ooh, that is interesting, isn't it? Yeah? If we start at any point on this line and move 2 times as much to the right as we move up, we will be at another point in the line. If the x-coordinate of a point is 2 times as much as the y, the point is on the line. Okay, so what's another ordered pair for a point that is on the line? What do you think about 6 1/2 and 3 1/4? 6 1/2, 3 1/4. 6 1/2, 3 1/4. It would be right here, right? And 2 times 3 1/4 is 6 1/2, or 6 1/2 divided by 2, right? Okay, excellent job. We're going to be on plane C in our next video, so I will see you there. Stay where you are. Thanks for your hard work. Aloha.